Hey you guys, so it's hot outside, it's like 100. I'm sweating. So the tools that you're gonna need are sockets 10, 14, and 17 millimeter for this job. So I had to go to the auto parts store to pick up a 14 mil extended and a mallet. Okay you guys, so I got the front sway bar off. So I wanted to show you guys the size difference. First I'm gonna need a knife. See. Okay, so it does come with some new bushings. Cool. Stickers. So that way we could do a side-by-side comparison. Wow. I like. Alright. Whoa. Look at that. Yeah, they're about the same. So you guys, I have to tell you, I got this from whiteline 360. I ordered that same night, and the next day it came out on delivery. So in one day I had this stuff. I don't really give shout outs, but thanks whiteline 360. So hell of a day, man. I smashed my hand in my sliding door in my van. I don't know what the hell I was thinking, man. My glove got caught, and yeah, inside between the fingers and on the outside. So one hell of a week. But let's go ahead, check these things out, see what they look like. Ooh, nice. Comes some washers. So pretty much what we're going to end up doing is we're going to make these the same length as the stock ones, so that way don't have to worry about any unexpected push or pull while cornering. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, you guys, so I got these the same length as the stock ones over there, and I just now have to grease up the bushings and put everything back the way it was and tighten it down, torque it down. So I just finished putting on the sway bar. I had to remove the windshield washer reservoir so I can tighten down these bolts underneath here. See. Those right there. I put 40 pounds of torque, but it looks awesome, man. I like how it turned out. It looks legit. Got the collars all tightened down. All right, you guys, I'm gonna end this video right here. I gotta say, I was wanting to get started on the rear sway bar, but something else came up, and this build is getting really interesting. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember as well, live your life. Later.